Good afternoon, students. Now it is mathematics class of HS second year, and we are doing integration. Now we will start a new exercise, that is exercise 7.4 of this integration. Here also two things we have to take. It is what that is some formula also we will use. That formula we are going to write. It is uh, we are going to tell that what are the formulae we are using. It is I'm just going to write, and then we will do the our this one. So first of all, integration dx. If I write x square plus a square, then here it will formula will be tan inverse x by a. So this formula proof is also there. So what we have written, integration dx by x square plus a square is equal to tan inverse x by a. Not only this, you can write integration root over a square minus a square. This is what sine inverse x by a. Definitely here 1 by a is you have to write. This already we have used. Another is integration x square minus a square is 1 by a. This is what our sec inverse x by a. So these are the things. With that concept only, we will do the question number 1. Integration 3x square dx divided by x to the power 6 plus 1. Now students, you think, is there any connection between these two? Little similarity, but so many dissimilarities are there. Here you will take x to the power 6 instead of this. If we take x cube as y. Why we have taken this one? There is a thing, because if we differentiate it, 3x square dx should be what? dy. So see whether numerator we can get. Yes, so it is integration dy x to the power 6, that is x cube whole thing square, that is y square plus 1. Now see, now is it similar like that? Yes. Instead of x square it is s square. Instead of s square it is 1 square. So it will be what? Tan inverse x by a. So formula will be here tan inverse y by 1 plus c. So it is tan inverse y is here what? Our creation, it is x cube plus c. देखो यहाँ पे तीन फॉर्मूला है. dx by x square plus s square, it is tan inverse x by a. यहाँ पे dx by root over s square minus x square, this is sin inverse x by a. Only 1 by a you have to write. And if you write this is dx by root over x square minus s square, it is 1 by a sec square minus a. Now this type of formula, if when we will use, then of course it will be like that. That is this formula we have used, and that formula we have to remember also, that this can be done in this way. So here also we are using this one, and our formula is like that. So here also 1 by a is required. We have not 1, that's why not used. So if I write x cube is y, then automatically 3x square dx will be equal to dy. Putting this in this dy, and here x to the power 6 is y square, then it is the formula of this one, then it will give tan inverse x cube plus c. Now students, another little formula we are using, it is just I am going to write, because sometimes it is required. That is, all the formula you will find in the summary sheet of this one integration, and you have to read all these things. If I write integration dx by root over x square plus s square, then all formula is log modulus x plus root over x square plus s square. So with that concept only, we will do our next sum, that is question number 2. And this question is integration dx by root over 1 plus 4 x square. So students, how can we utilize our formula? We can write this one as, if we take 4 common, then it is 1 by 4 plus x square. Root 4 will come out and it will be what? Half. It will go outside the integration, and this one is root over 1 by 2 square x square. Now can we get resemblance with this one? X square plus a square, that is half square. So we can write this one as half log x, this one root over x square plus a square, that is 1 by 4 plus 6. So this is our answer. देखो यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मूला लगता है इंटीग्रेशन dx बाई रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस टू स्क्वायर. ये फॉर्मूला क्या है? लॉग मॉडुलस x प्लस रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर. तो मैंने भी ये यहाँ पे लिखा dx बाई रूट ओवर 1 प्लस 4x स्क्वायर को इस तरीके से इफ 4 कॉमन लेके लिखा, तो यहाँ पे 1 बाई 4, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर होता है. तो 1 बाई 4 रूट के बाहर जाने से 1 बाई 2 हो जाएगा. dx बाई रूट ओवर 1 बाई 4 रूट 2 स्क्वायर हाफ स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर होता है. सो कैन यू, यहाँ पे देखो इसके साथ मिल ही जाता है x स्क्वायर s स्क्वायर की जगह पे हाफ स्क्वायर. सो फॉर्मूला लगाते थे हाफ लॉग x प्लस रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई 4 प्लस c. सो ये तरीके से हम लोग कर सकते हैं. इसी फॉर्मूला के अंदर हम लोगों का तीसरा क्वेश्चन, दैट इज थर्ड सम वी डू इन दिस वे. And our third sum is question number 3 is integration 1 by root over 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. Now problem is here, instead of x square here 2 minus x given. So if I take that 2 minus x is y, after differentiation it will be minus dx is equal to dy. If we change minus, then it will be minus dy. So you see that what is minus integration dy, because dx is minus dy, and here it is 2 minus x square, that is y square plus 1 square. So you see, can it be like that? X square s square, y square 1 square, dx dy. So y x x. So what will be the value? It will be log modulus y plus root over y square plus 1 plus c. Y is our creation, so we have to remove this one. So it will be 2 minus x plus root over 2 minus x whole square plus 1. तो देखो यहाँ पे एक फॉर्मूला वही फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे भी लगेगा. एक क्वेश्चन क्या है? इंटीग्रेशन 1 by root over 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. Now, if we take, यहाँ पे अगर हम a y लिख दे, तो after differentiation यहाँ पे dx is minus dx is equal to dy. So we can write dx is equal to minus dy. ये लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. बीटा पे dx की जगह पे minus dy, 2 minus x की जगह पे y, so y square plus 1. अभी देखो ये फॉर्मूला मिल आता है. इंटीग्रेशन dx बाई रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो यहाँ पे x की जगह पे 2 माइनस एक्स और ए स्क्वायर की जगह पे 1 स्क्वायर. सो यही फॉर्मूला लग देता है. यह फॉर्मूला की है x प्लस रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर लिख दिया मैंने. यहाँ पे x की जगह पे y और रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर मीन्स वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 1. y रिप्लेस कर दिया, y की जगह पे 2 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1. तो ये एक फॉर्मूला हो गया. देन वी विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सो 4 we will use one formula, that is this one, integration dx by root over s square minus x square is equal to 1 by a sin inverse x by a. So if we consider this one, question number 4 of this integration, it is dx divided by root over 9 minus 25 x square. Looking little bit similar, x square dx. So it is, you can guess like that. Now if I take 25 common from this one, 25, then it is 9 by 25 minus x square. 25 square root is 5, so it will come out from the root and it will be what? 1 by 5 outside this integration dx. integration, this one be written as 9 by 25 means 3 by 5 whole thing square x square. Now see, is it resembles with this one s square 3 by 5 square x square dx. So we can write, if this is 1 by a 1 by 5, so we have, that is here 1 by 3 by 5, because a is here 3 by 5, sine inverse x by a, x divided by 3 by 5. So it is what? Answer is 5 cancel 1 by 3 sine inverse 5x by 3 plus c. So this is your answer. So क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का अगर ले, यहाँ पे देखो क्या लिखा है, dx by root over 9 minus 5 25x square. ये किस कुछ तरीके ये हद तक जाता है, ये देखने में से कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है 9 यहाँ पे x square, तो क्या करें 25 का कॉमन ले गया तो 9 by 25 लिखा, यहाँ पे 25 by 25 1 हो जाता है, रूट 25 बाहर में जाके ये 5 बन जाएगा, इंटीग्रेशन dx ये रूट ओवर 9 by 25 मीन्स 3 by 5 होल थिंग स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर. तो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, 1 by a 1 by 3 by 5 ये साइन इनवर्स यस x by 3 by 5 बिकॉज x by a. आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन एंड सिंप्लीफिकेशन ये क्या हो जाता है 1 by 3 साइन इनवर्स 5x by 3 plus c. Now we will do question number 5. Question number 5, integration thrice x dx 1 plus 2x to the power 4. So ये कुछ हद तक इस तरीके से होता है, ये देखने में से इस तरीके से लग रहा है, यहाँ पे कोई स्क्वायर रूट है नहीं, so it is looking similar like that one. What we put here, x square you put as y, then its differentiation will be what, twice x dx is equal to dy. Now we will take first 3 common from numerator, then we will take 2 from denominator. In numerator it will be x dx. If we take 2 common, then it will be 1 by 2 x to the power 4. Here we need twice x dx. If we multiply here by 2, so we can write here twice x. Now see, 3 by 4 integration, this can be numerator can be written as dy. Half can be written as 1 by root 2 whole thing square. And x to the power 4 can be written as x square square, that is y square. Now see, can it is similar like that one? S square 1 by root 2 square, x square y square, and here dy. So y same, x same. So we can write 3 by 4 1 by a, that is 1 by root 2 tan inverse y 1 by root 2, that is here 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse root 2 y. Y we can replace, it is our creation, it is x square plus c. देखो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ये दे रखा है, इंटीग्रेशन थ्राइस एक्स dx by 1 plus 2x to the power 4. यहाँ पे x की जगह पे अगर y लिखे तो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होता है, ट्वाइस एक्स dx is equal to dy. तो उसके बाद देखो 3 यहाँ पे बाहर लेके गया, यहाँ पे 2 कॉमन ले लिया दोनों, तो यहाँ पे 2 नहीं है फिर भी जबरदस्ती लेके गया 2 बाहर, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है हाफ x to the power 4 एंड यहाँ पे x dx होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक 2 जोड़ दिया तो यहाँ पे भी 2 लग सकता है, सो इट इज 3 by 4. तो x dx ट्वाइस x dx इट इज तो dy लिख दिया मैंने, हाफ को 1 by root 2 होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं, इसको तो ai स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. सो देखो ये कुछ तक इससे मिल जाता है, s स्क्वायर 1 by root 2 स्क्वायर x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर होता है. सो वी कैन राइट 1 by a, so 1 by root 2 tan inverse yes y by a, that is 1 by root 2. Now we replace y by x square. So this will be what, 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. Now students, I am completing exercise after exercise. Your response is less. Respond it. FO1 exam, your syllabus is relation function, matrix, determinant and vector algebra. So you give it exam nicely. Any doubt you can ask. So, and also you give your attendance in comment box. So that's all for today.